Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to set up a new Hexabot project from scratch. Hexabot is an AI workflow automation platform built for developers. It lets you create conversational workflows, connect channels, trigger actions, and build automation logic using a JavaScript-friendly stack. In this tutorial, we will install the Hexabot CLI, create a new project, run it locally, and open the admin interface. By the end of this video, you will have a working Hexabot development environment working on your machine. Before we start, make sure you have Node.js installed. If you do not have it yet, check the link in the description. You will have a guide that explains how to install Node.js properly on your machine. You will also need a package manager such as npm or yarn. For this tutorial, we will use npm just to make things simple. Now, let's install the Hexabot CLI globally. In your terminal, run the npm install command shown on the screen. Once the installation is complete, you can type Hexabot in the terminal to check that the command is available. If you see the CLI output, then everything is working correctly. Next, we will create a new project. To do that, run Hexabot create followed by the name of your project. The command will generate a new Hexabot project using the starter template. Later, you can also create your own templates for custom projects, which is useful when you want to reuse the same architecture or configuration across multiple bots. During the setup, the CLI will ask you to create the initial admin account. Here, I will enter the admin user information. Then I will set the initial admin password. This account will be used to log to the Hexabot admin interface once the project is running. After that, the CLI creates a new folder with the name of the project. Inside this folder, you will find all the source files needed to start building with Hexabot. The CLI will also install the required Node.js dependencies so the project is ready to run locally. Now, let's move into the project folder. Then we start the development server by running Hexabot dev. You can also use npm run dev, which does the same thing. This will start the Hexabot app locally. Once the server is ready, the app will be available on localhost using port 3000. Now, let's open the browser and access the local Hexabot instance. Here, I will enter the username and the password that I created during the setup. After logging in, we can access the admin interface. This is where you can manage your chatbot, create workflows, configure actions, and start building your automation logic. When opening the app for the first time, the guided tour invites us to create a new workflow. This is a great way to quickly understand how Hexabot works. A workflow is made of steps. Each step can perform an action such as sending a message, calling API, applying logic, or connecting with another part of your automation. For this first example, I will select the Send Text Message action. Then, I will configure it to send a simple Hello World message. Now, let's test the workflow. I will type hello in the test chat. Hexabot will run the workflow and return the message we configured. And there is it. Our first local Hexabot workflow is running. Simple, fast, and ready to be extended. That's it for the setup video. We installed the Hexabot CLI, created a new project, run it locally, opened the admin interface, and tested the first workflow. In the next video, we will go deeper into workflows, actions, channels, and AI automations with Hexabot. That's it for this video. If you want to build a real AI workflows with Hexabot, check the documentation, GitHub repo, and community links in the description. If you found this useful, please start the project on GitHub and leave a comment with your feedback on what you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.